Epigenetics, the new paradigm of healing and wellness. The science of epigenetics has changed everything. For the first time in history, we understand how we each have the ability to change the expressions of our genes. The groundbreaking message of epigenetics is that your DNA and chromatin that regulate the expression of your genes can be altered by either external, environmental, or internal mental and emotional signals without altering the gene sequence itself. The food you eat, the lifestyle you maintain, the emotional states you experience, the stress and traumas you experience, the quality of the thoughts you think, as well as the relationships you maintain. Each sends signals at different vibrational levels that either support cellular growth and optimal functioning to predispose you and/or perpetuate you to illness, dysfunction, and disease. Coined by Conrad Waddington in 1942, it stood for the influences that direct the genes to produce the different proteins that they are designed to manufacture to build the body and keep life functioning. Genes are no longer your destiny, as they can be switched on or off, upregulated or downregulated. There is an astounding process that takes the informational sequences that make up the genes and can alter them, just like you can alter the sequences of the zeros and ones that make up the codes for computer programming. It is beyond the scope of this book to share all the different mechanisms of how this process works, as I don't want to bog you down in details. I want to help you use the tools and strategies in this book to help you change your life rapidly. But I do feel it is important for you to understand some basics.